Alright, YouTube. Well, how about you don't go down this time? It's a new victory. I started the stream before noon local time. Indeed. Indeed. Pronouns. That's funny. That is funny. Indeed, indeed. Hey, knocked my item. Yeah, good luck with that. Good luck with all that. You know what? I'm gonna modify the game just to fit the stream a little better. There was this build number thing which does not show up on the stream. But I kinda wanted to be on the stream. So I'm gonna stick it to the left. Bam. Bro, you need to be running around less crazy like this. How did I make him be able to destroy walls? Easily, it's the same logic that I use for anything else to destroy walls. It's not that difficult. You just use some basic physics, overlap, shape cast. Overlap cast in this case. So when he charges, he basically just checks if he intersects with anything. If it does, it sees what it is, and it just damages, destroys it. You can actually see the front shape of his. This is what's being used. I even lowered the shape quite a bit into the ground to make sure he actually destroys the ground blocks too. Does every component contain a ref? God damn it. I hate this bug. I wish I knew what the bug was. Does your component contain reference to the entity? No. Components do not know about entities at all. They just don't. In fact, entities by themselves don't even have much anything going on at all. Like, for example, here's all the components. Alright, like there's no entities in here. Ain't no entities up in here. Some of them do occasionally reference entities, but it's usually other entities. But, yeah. The only thing you have entities have is just have an ID. That's about that. How do I manage to get the physics or whatever component from collisions alone? Yeah, so in that case, when I create physical bodies, that's when I actually tag those physical bodies on the physics 5 with an entity ID. So whichever physics user data. Yeah, so for example, here when you're creating a new physical shape, right after you create it, you set the user data to point to the entity ID reference. So in that case, you kind of refer to the entity. And then you can do reverse lookup. Because you always need some kind of connection back to when you're creating something like that. It's actually turned out quite nice. Like, I did not intend it to be this way, but the floor tiles actually regenerate. So that's why you see different parts and they just kind of quietly disappear, get remade. And because the floor is so thin, it actually becomes like very smooth and easy. It just kind of gets replenished. I might even do the same idea for the other walls, where some walls can just regenerate, like especially these ones on the outside. Because why not? Why not? How does it look without ray tracing? I kind of like the white lines, honestly. Outlines kind of look cute. Let's reset the camera a bit. It looks okay. Even though I don't have any textures at all, looks pretty decent on the floor. Because I've actually used to have some basic shading on the floors, which I've just been not caring at all about. But this is what I used to have. I used to kind of like apply like an additional texture. Like here, this is the same thing. So I could just drop like a random texture on top. So I could do something similar. This was the game a year ago. And that image was actually a thing I generated. So I can always apply some kind of basic textures to it. But yeah, that's too easy, man. That's too easy. One of these days, I will either fix that crap or get rid of GPU particles altogether. I'm pretty sure that's a GPU particle bug. So annoying. Alright, is it time to damage the player or what? To actually use OneDrive? No. I think I used to at one point, but no. I use OneNote though. OneNote is great for making notes. For sure. Does the bug come when you switch your text dynamically? Yeah, it's only when switching back. When you start in ray tracing, go back to non-ray tracing, then switch back to ray tracing. And then sometimes that bug appears. And I think what's happening is that some rogue GPU particle just becomes way too big and humongous, takes up the whole space. I think. Which I have observed my GPU particle misbehave occasionally elsewhere, so I wouldn't be too surprised. By the way, does he drop an item? No, it doesn't. Cool. Now, yesterday I spent half the time streaming, setting up animation for the wheel so I can actually spin around. But let's do something boring first. I want to convert this one more shader from GLSL to Slang. Is what I want to do, I think. This one computes all the skin meshes for ray tracing. Very special. Kaboom. Kaboom. I think this will be the last ray tracing shader to be converted to Slang. Right, where's that? Where you at, B? Right here. Here. Slang. Good. Good, good. I might as well rename this crap. I'm calling it shader. I mean, fine, whatever. Actually, it's kind of long. Should you bother using GLSL? Slang is there. For simple things, GLSL is completely fine, and it's way easier to get started with GLSL for sure. There's a ton of examples. In the beginning, for me, it's all about just being able to learn the thing in the first place. And once you get comfortable with that, then you can go off and do something fancy. Because so the benefit of Slang is that you're going to have to pay an additional thing where you have to care about how, because the different language is closer to HLSL, there's a bunch of weird cases. Like yesterday it was crashing for me, random thing. So I had to literally pull down the source code for the compiler, figured out that error, modify the source code to give me like an extra error information. From that I was able to deduce what it possibly is. And I finally was able to fix after a couple hours. But the benefit is that it can produce output of Slang into different targets, into metal, whatnot. So in the future, maybe this pays off. There are some nice things here and there. It's not that bad. But yeah, it doesn't come cheap. I would just stick to GLSL at first. Alright. Let's do it now while I still remember how to convert stuff over. Let's push constants. Push constants. Struct. What is it? Okay, push constant. Is that what I say? I forgot already. I already forgot. Who's using push constant? Yeah, what's this? Okay, that part is fine. So is it gonna be buffer? I guess I could just do that. Yeah. The values for mesh data. All it really is just that. Okay. Okay. Oh, Intel CPU, why is it so nasty? Has a bunch of input stuff, read-only buffers. Now this is gonna need to be read-write. And 1 year of difference of doing like programming and graphics makes such a big difference. Huge. Okay. Vertex in. Oh yeah, how do I do this again? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Mr. Inverse. Mr. Inverse. Okay. Fun fact. HLSL, no, Slang, they do not have an inverse. So you have to write your own one like a maniac. But now that I have a dependency, I should just do this. Okay. Is this Gucci now? It's time to see. Bro. Don't need that. But why the shaders? Cool. Okay, this will fail in where? I don't remember. I'll just crash. And then it'll tell me where it needs to be happening. Yeah. Couldn't read the file. That's right. For I have renamed it. Uh-oh. That's no bueno. That is no bueno. Okay, what did I get wrong? I didn't think I need to reverse this. One problem is Slang and HLSL has a different way of multiplying things. Yeah, just different multiplication. It's either that or... It was UVAC 4 before. Yellow Star. What's cracking? Where's butt cracking? Today I'm gonna stream in 2 parts actually. Do I have experience in coding? Yeah, you could say that I have experience in coding. Especially experience in coding bad code like this one. What am I doing wrong here? Is this multiplication? Is this... It looks like it's bad. It looks like it's bad indices. I think. What did I convert incorrectly? What games do I play? Games like Diablo, some kind of action RPGs, and some other small ones occasionally. I've played all kinds of games, all kinds. Even better, I've had some kind of hot chick in it, versus right now it's... I think it has wrong indices for the bones. This was UVAC 4. Vertex index. It certainly seems okay. Have I attended colleges teach coding game development? No, college is a waste of time. College just gets you a piece of paper to be like, yo, I've done it, I'm not a complete loser. You can probably give me a job and I'll have some small chance of success. That's all colleges do today. They have been completely diluted of value. So if you want to be a coder in game dev or any kind of engineer in computer science, you have to study by yourself. And then do colleges to get you a piece of paper to do your immigrations or whatever job applications you need. I mean, it looks fine now, normal matrix. This is what I did before. I did that here. What is normal calculation? Speaking of which, do you need to scrap? We're normal. Let's compare. Let's think and compare. It's got to be something about the math. I did the same thing in verse. Object to world, rotation only. Wait, this is only for normal. I don't care about normal. Whatever this is wrong, this is not a problem with normals. No. It's not this problem. This might be something more like here. Pound indices. Create info containing the indices. Right. Did I mess up something else? Oh, converting shit is always such a pain. Let's think some more. Okay, let's push constants, fine, mesh count, okay. They're going to read only buffers. One, fine. Mesh data, yeah. Okay. Could probably write this a little cleaner now, but whatever. Input mesh coming in, okay. Vertex out. I mean, it looks fine. It looks fine and reasonable. Phone awaits. That looks valid. Maybe I need to look at some GLSL stuff. What do you generate? Push constant, shacked, fine. Mesh data, yeah. What is this? is this? Oh, it's finding 0. Yeah. Oh, this one is the one with 430. Maybe I need a 130. It's only 140. I mean, I shouldn't need to do this, but maybe. But maybe. No. I'm gonna give up on this for now. I wonder. What if I just do away with this? And say, screw you. So it's definitely the layouts, for sure. For sure. The way the data is coming in. Well, at least it's really broken, so... It's time. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, of course. Oh, let us see. Which one is what I want? Which one? Boom, boom. How are you looking at input vertices? Yeah, that's wrong. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah. The way it packs it, it's just not happy. It does have it. Let's try it. Does this work or not? Kind of curious. Kind of curious. Does this even compile? It does. Really? Matrices look fine. Meshes. Seems reasonable. I'm not too happy on that, of course. Let's see. Ooh. That one's a big number. Big number. That kind of makes sense. Oh, where's padding? I forgot about the padding. right? Padding, padding, padding. Hold on. Heads up, I have about another 15 minutes and then I'm going to make a break from streaming for a bit, get some sun, and then come back for a long ass stream. There's an update. Ooh. Yes, I don't need a padding in here. That's paddling. Padding of 2 ints. Into padding. How's that? How these apples? I'm not even gonna run anything. I just want to rerun. I want to see the memory. Show me. That's starting. That was an improvement, I suppose. Blah 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 blah. I'm suspicious on this. No way. No way, hoes. Maybe? No, something is still kind of wrong. I think it's the bone indices. Bone waste, let's see that. 1 and 2, correct. There's only 1 in here. Yes, this is wrong. So the way that it gets written out is wrong. Where are you? Combine inputs, correct. Bro, I just want to see what gets used. What does it get used and abused? That is a question I have. Copy, combine. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then the actual copy buffer, which is this. What is your type? Vertex scanned, yeah. So it is this one for sure. Victor. Just so you know, I'll stream for another 15 minutes, and then it's break time to get some sun for a little bit, and then get back in full to stream the rest of the day. I'm kind of looking into some. I'm refactoring a little bit of code, and some stuff is currently broken. So I need to do some in-depth GPU debugging, which is something you don't often see in my stream. The problem is bone indices are wrong. Which has to be here, a problem. So I really do need to do the packing. I hate to do the packing, dude. I hate to do the packing. fine. Fine. Packed. Let's see. Foot 4A. So that covers position. XYZ's position. And Z is normal X. This would be X, Y, Z for normal Y, Z. Okay. Then the first UV then. Z dub is UV. Then this is just bone weights. Is it signed or unsigned? Unsigned. It is unsigned. Bound indices. Should probably keep it like that then. Maybe it was just that. I don't think. I'm not sure. Not sure. Not sure. So let's count. This is 16. 16 total. This is 3, 6, 8, 12. That's a 10, and this should be a 12. 6, 8, 12. And this is... It's like in 2 in the back, actually. That sounds about right. Okay. If I knew how to better handle this, it'd be easier, but XYZW, right? Yeah. Right. XYZ normal is. Y, okay. Okay. Yeah, this is where I need to convert it over again. Okay. Well, once you play the game long enough, you'll be able to unlock and move the clothing types that you're looking for. That's the whole idea. Whereas in the very beginning, because you got a full body suit, that's what you get. But don't you worry about it. Unlike other action RPGs, the better equipment is, the more it shows. So I got you covered. I don't remember the order. I do not remember the order. This is probably correct. Probably. How about this? Let's stop complaining about that. Good, good. I don't remember which one it is. So I'll just see which one works, which one breaks. Let's try that. I'm less concerned about visual stuff yet. I want to see the data. Time to see the data. What is it? What is it? Mr. Dispatch. The first dispatch. So this would be 2. I mean, this is already wrong though. I don't understand. This is already wrong. Right or not? Oh, does it put it in the high bits? Dun 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 dun. 196 6110. No, there's a bunch of stuff. Wait. That's more than just... Why am I spending time converting one shader language to another? I mean, even before this conversion, it doesn't look right. I thought int 4 to this to that. But even the first one, why is it such a big number? That's way too big. Why is it so big? VQ4. This is pack 4, this is pack 4. And this will be pack 4, right? Oh no, 64. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Oh, this is laid out completely differently in this memory. No. This is not gonna fly. I had assumed... Or maybe it's actually fine. Hold on, this is 1 int at a time. Yeah, this is fine. Is it? 64 bytes. But it only has 3 vec4s. That's 16. 16 times 3. Then it should be 48. Why is it 64? Why is 64? This is 48. Yeah, I don't care about that. Terminate. Alright. I'm gonna take a break into getting some sun outside, and then I shall return for a long stream.